footers? I want to get this.
I'm worried about the one right over there.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day of Nature with Nate YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna be building
Cactus.
Cactus. We got the first board on, boys. We're actually really trying. We were trying with the deck. Okay, so we're all gonna pick up a corner and we're gonna twist this way ever so slightly, just so that is like kind of centered on me. Wait, we don't this or this? That. Like the end, yeah. Alright, so up and then twist. So Luke, you go that way?
I did. Far.
I'm off the edge.
Well, we shouldn't be moving the post at all. You should just have to twist it, so it should stay in the same spot, but you're just shifting it over. You know what I mean? Oh.
Here, let me get in the center. Okay, now I'm like center-ish.
All right, I'm center-ish.
No,
You
kind of go that way.
no, no, we twist. Everyone twist. Twist, twist, twist.
A little better. Yeah, right there.
Level right. All right, boys. We're in like one.
We're actually fine.
Boom. Real quick.
It ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere, baby.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hell yeah, dude.
What do you think is the hill?
That's not the hill, it's the curve in that board there. It's a huge curve in that shitty board.
The one right here at the end.
The ledger. The ledger board is curved up. See?
Oh yeah.
Looks like a good foundation, boys. If we didn't have that curve, it'd be perfect.
I don't know, John. I think I should lower that ledger.
If you think you should unscrew it, then go ahead. Okay.
Just gotta lower it like quarter of an inch.
Right. And John just lower it down till this is they're all level. All good. Okay.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Perfect, boys.
Does it go the other side too?
Should be. Alright, Luke, does that look good to you?
Yeah, that one looks good.
No, this one's not. I think this one curved. Here, let me flip it.
You can lift. It's nature's. This is good here.
Alright.
I don't like mosquitoes. They bite for no reason.
How's she feel?
Good.
Stinky.
You're such a smelly boy.
I'm so Portuguese.
You're so Portuguese. You're so Portuguese.
I'll just get the chainsaw and cut all these off and yeah.
I got tuberculosis, Dutch. Dutch. More time. More money. You need more money, Arthur.
Hey!
I'm gonna go pee.
Break it down closer.
You want a cancer block? Yeah. Put it by my balls. Oh.
That's so loud, baby. Let's go.
4.
This looks so sexy. Johnny, you got the last nail.
Wow,
Last nail, baby.
that's so crazy.
You're so Portuguese.
You're so Portuguese.
Yeah. That's a deck. Hey camera, look at this. Hey people of YouTube, look at this. That's a freaking foundation for a log cabin right there.
Very nice. Very nice.
At least hold me. I want to see if it can hold fucking tons of wood.
Yeah, literal tons of logs.
Is it weak?
Elk's hard at walk over here, do walk in the logs. And we got Luke and Johnny here. A few months ago, we had the plan to build another log cabin on my buddy Johnny's family's property. You know what? We thunk it, we dreamt it, and now we're doing it. Think it, dream it, do it! Think it, dream it, do it! Think it, dream it, do it! Think it, dream it, do it!